at Apex. It's kind of a known qualifying spot for Vegas to Reno, and we're ready to do some work. Apex is incredibly rough, big holes, big ruts, a lot of teams test out here. It's really polar opposite from the type of conditions we're going to see on race day, but it allows us to qualify. It's going to dictate our track position on race day, which is really important to us.
3, 2, 1, go!
Great after a qualifying run. I mean, obviously we've been planning this whole time, you know, preparing my body for 6 to 8 hours behind the wheel. Qualifying is actually just a sprint race, so I feel like I'm just warmed up, and I feel pretty amped up right now, to be honest with you. So feeling good about our run, and it's just kind of a waiting game to wait for these times to come out to see where we sit in our class, and hopefully we're on the pole. It's a lot of hard work for the entire Honda off-road team to get to this point in a big race like this, the longest off-road race in the United States. And, you know, just pretty excited to be here, and can't wait for the green flag to drop.
Oh, I mean, winning this race is a big deal, but finishing this race I think is even a bigger deal. Like I said, it's already 100 degrees. It's the morning right now. We haven't even started, so it's only getting hotter.
It's our first time racing back with Honda here this weekend, and thankfully for us, we've had enough time to get these cars tested and all the bugs working out, and you know, we've just made so many improvements over the last couple of months, and for us that was a huge asset. But you know, just now it's game time. These cars are ready, locked and loaded to go, and see where we end up.
Race, nothing mind. Right on, boys. Good luck. Go get them.
Well, this is a pretty tough race, so they'll probably 70% is pretty optimistic of how many cars will finish out of over 300. The dust really gets you because you're obviously trying to avoid it, and then you get yourself in a bad spot where you hit something that you didn't even see.
Eliott's got a good move right now, about 47 miles an hour, and we're checking up on Christopher, and it looks like he hasn't left the line, or there's something wrong. We're not quite sure yet. But we'll just keep looking and checking it out, and the last time it was updated was at 11:44, so when we get service again, we'll check it out.
Right now we're coming up on pit 3, getting ready to do fuel and tires for the first time. Jeff's about 10 to 12 miles ahead of second place, so he's doing good. We just got done with pit 4, which is our first scheduled fuel and tire stop. It was a good stop, there was no issues.
Tracker, Jeff and Evan are at race mile 200. They're 14 miles behind the last trick truck, so that's pretty cool. They're doing really well. They've got about a 20-mile lead still, so they're killing it.
Brakes might be going a little bit soft, so we got guys at pit 6 right now. We're gonna do a really quick brake line and drive line visual. They also hit a drive shaft that somebody left on the course, so the left net.
Here at pit 9. Talons have been running pretty good today. The 94 car has already through pit 7. They are physically in second or third, about 7 minutes behind the leader physically, but they started 25th, so they should be about first in class right now. The other car, the 33 car, had a small mechanical. We got them the parts. They're about 45 minutes or so down, but they are also running strong right now. So everything's going pretty good on the Talon side of things.
Situation, but we're also not losing this race yet. Got about 190 miles or so left. Trucks coming in with in need of some repairs. The driver and the co-driver are both coming out, getting replaced with a fresh driver and a fresh co-driver. And while they're doing that, we're going to fuel the truck, we're going to make the repair, and we're going to get that thing back out on the race course without losing our position and remaining the lead, so we can take this to the finish line.
I don't know what to say. It's just, it's off-road racing. It's a tough sport. It's not for the faint of heart. Evan and I were battling out there all day and got off to a good start, and started to sense some vapor locking issues. It's so hot out there. It just takes its toll on all your equipment. Well, we were just giving it all we had, and once we started climbing an altitude, it started getting worse, and we had to pull over and bleed our fuel lines and get the fuel to kind of calm down a little bit. It's just unfortunate. I'm bummed, but hey, we're sitting here at race mile 326 right now. The race isn't over until it's over. There's still a lot of race left. There's a lot that can happen.
guys, this is Matt. So we lost a lot of gear oil. We might have to like try and live somewhere where there's an access road or something to get the gear oil done.
We have all
But Loomis is kind of worried about not having a lot of gear oil.
Tell him it's fine. We overfilled it. It's fine.
It's 12 miles to us.
Tell him it's overfull. It's gonna make a mess.
It's 11:28. The entire crew is at pit 12, and Jeff and Evan have gotten back into the truck and are heading to the finish.
You know, today was just wasn't one of our best days. You know, this Honda Ridgeline team fought hard all day, and you know, we had a few little hiccups that slowed us down. You know, we led the race through, I think, 230 miles until we had some vapor lock issues, and it was just really hot out there as expected. And we were seeing temps as about 150 degrees inside the cab here, and just had some fuel delivery issues that set us back. We got those corrected, and you know, we just had this never give up attitude, and wanted to make sure we got this Ridgeline to the finish line here in Reno. So, you know, we'll take the finish. Definitely not what we came here to do. We came here to win, but you know, ending up on the podium in second place, I think, 7 minutes behind the leader. So, you know, we came back, we fought hard, and Evan did a great job in the right seat. Pat and Loomis drove their stunt well. You know, can't thank the whole team enough for persevering throughout the whole day and just getting us here to the finish line.
Here we go. We got ourselves a Talon.